Imagine if you are a Tony Stark and sitting on a high-tech lab, and instead of tapping over a phone and instead of writing an email, you just say, "Hey Jarvis, please book a flight to New York," and you got a response, "Done, sir. I have booked your seat to a preferred flight," right? And let me guess, if I'm a Tony Stark and if I have my own Jarvis, then how do I look like? Smart enough, right? Now replace Jarvis with an AI-powered calling system which not only understand but also make a call on your behalf and handling the conversation in real time. And not only handling the conversation in real time, it can cancel the appointment, schedule the appointment, reschedule the appointment, and whatnot, right? So let me think, if a human get an AI call, so how the reaction of the human will be, right? Who is this guy? So why this is relevant today? I think this is relevant because AI-based voice automation is changing the industry a lot in various sectors like healthcare, banking system, telecom, customer support, and a lot more, right? And the second reason is the traditional IVR system, हिंदी के लिए 2 दबाए, हमारे customer executive से बात करने के लिए 9 दबाए, is also get outdated, right? So human need human-like interaction. Yes, this is no longer a science fiction. You can build your own AI voice agents. And yes, what if you could build your own AI assistant to handle a call just like an Iron Man? Wow, nice. Okay, so hello AI enthusiast. I am Pratik Yadav. I'm a full stack software engineer in Liftoff LLC, and I'm an ex-GeekyAnts. And I'm specialization in React, React Native, NestJS, full stack web application. And I'm also exploring technologies, AI technologies like you to enhance the digital experience. So this is all about me. Let's talk about the today's agenda, very short and very concise. I'm gonna talk about what is smart AI voice agent, how does it work, a brief about a tech stack overview. And yes, we're gonna do a demo call for that. I hope it will work. So yeah, and this use case and the future enhancement. So what is smart AI voice agents? In a simple term, AI voice agents are a software that use NLP, natural language processing, and the machine learning, okay? It understands, it interprets, and also responds to a human speech. Okay, this is the simple definition, but you're like, okay, I just need to go and let's break down this into some core technologies behind it, okay? So let's go with the first technology, ASR. ASR is an automatic speech recognition. It is a foundational input for an AI voice agent to process, right? So this comes the encoding part where the humans speak in the audio format and convert the audio into a text for the further process. And the second step goes with the NLP. I hope you're aware of the NLP. So AI voice agent, so what is NLP? It's interpret, it understand the input and give a response, what is the context behind that input, right? So this is the very important part, and it uses a LLM. And the third one is the decoding part where it generates a response, text to speech. So it converts the text into a speech in an audible response so that the communication can happen effortlessly and seamlessly. And the last one, machine learning part. So of course, we need our AI agent to improve their capability day by day by learning from the past interaction with the user or maybe the user feedback. And it ensures the more accuracy and more relevant response in the future. So this is all about what is smart AI voice agents are. Okay, so let's go deep dive into it. Not much, but yeah, live coding. And I'm gonna talk about what AI voice framework I have used to build this AI voice agent. So there are 3 main voice framework that I have used in this AI voice agent. First one is the NestJS. So may know who, like backend developer in the house, NestJS, we have heard about Node.js. So this is, yeah. So this is the powerful backend framework that structure an AI voice agent. So it's basically process the request, right? And the second one is the Twilio. It can be any other alternative service you can use, like Twilio, and I think there is one more called Whisper AI, and Google Dialogflow is also there. So what is this? Like, it is actually a bridge which enable the connection between the human and my AI engine, right? And the third one is the ElevenLabs AI. So this is the very crucial part where AI, what is ElevenLabs? I think anyone heard about ElevenLabs AI? Anyone use that? So this is a great tool. So they build a product, a AI tool, and on top of it, I'm using my product. So this is nothing but a AI-driven synthesized voice engine. It basically generates a response, and you can do a lot of configuration in it, like changing the language support and personalized voice tone. So I'm going to talk about that later. But yeah, so this is the AI voice framework. Long story short, basic architecture consists of NestJS API to get process the request, Twilio service for making a call, and the ElevenLabs AI service for generating a response, right? Okay, so I asked AI to generate a architecture diagram so that I can understand. So this is what I got, and after watching this, so I decided to sit back and make a simple and readable architecture diagram where I can explain you and even I can understand. So here I come up with a flowchart diagram. Okay, so in order to understand that, let's take a use case. So let's say I have to create an AI voice agent for this meetup. So meetup is going to happen on 5th April, okay? And at 10 a.m. and the GeekyAnts is the organizer of this event, and they want to make sure day before that event that you will get a reminder, and they're gonna maybe ask you like, are you confirming your event? Are you coming or not? So this is the use case. So for that, what GeekyAnts will do, it will trigger a call, and this is the basic NestJS code where it will create a call using the Twilio client. So now the important thing is we should be aware of whom I am calling, right? So the payload should be important. So I'm gonna take a user data. User data can be first name, last name, and something about email, phone number, etc., etc. Of course, the phone number. So this will create a call. Twilio will create a call. Then what? Twilio will request a TweML response. So in order to make a call, this written statement will generate a XML response to handling the call for the live connection, right? So of course the WebSocket. So anyone heard about WebSocket connections for handshaking, right? So a meeting and the listener, right? So yeah, I think yeah. So it takes the stream parameter, which will be handling that media stream URL, and the parameter that take a user information. So basically it actually extract the user data from the request, NestJS API, right? And it will try to create a connection. So once it's done, let's go. And if you can see it now, it's a part of WebSocket layer where this client will map, right? And how it will map? It will map to my Twilio connect to WebSocket. So this is a basic NestJS code again. It has some different cases, message.event. What message.event will do? On the start case, it will take your stream ID, which will be unique, and the custom parameter that we passed in the response, and then media section. So of course, you are saying in the audio, that should convert into a base 64. So that will handle that part. And if you can see the connection.ElevenLabs, so that part is sending your messages to my AI engine. So I'm using Gemini 2. Gemini Flash 2.0. So this is very good LLM, so I'm getting good response from when I tested that. And the stop is to terminate the response. Let's go and let's connect with the ElevenLabs AI. So this is the basic configuration where you use your agent key, agent ID, and establish a connection. And client.onOpen will have an initialization, which take again the data, the custom data, so that the AI can understand. And the user info again, and the initial configuration like dynamic variable like first name, last name, and then it will send to my ElevenLabs AI. Okay. Now we have given the response to the ElevenLabs AI, so I am supposed to get some response from it. So this is the function where it will handle the ElevenLabs AI message and get you the message in the base 64, and again it will decode into an audible response for the better communication. Interruption, if you while speaking, if you interrupt the AI, so that will get interrupted and it will listen you. So just like a human conversation going on. And the ping one is to check alive where the connection is still alive or not. So ping is that. And then default case. Okay, so this is whole about the architecture diagram. Demo time. And I think it's probably me when my client asks for a demo. So let's do a demo. So for the demo, I'm gonna trigger a API with my phone number and some user data. Okay, so before that, I give you the use case, right? So if you have any queries regarding the event, can I collect those information so that I can ask to my AI? So any queries or any FAQs, anything from you guys? Great question. I'm gonna ask that for sure. So even I want to test the capability of my AI. So let's see. I have provided some of the data to it regarding the events detail and all. So one URL. So I'm gonna show that after the demo for sure. So let me go to my server. So it's running. Server is still running. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna trigger the call using EU to make, and let's go into the setting part and let me understand. So I have used ngrok. If you are backend developer, you have heard about ngrok. So if not, ngrok is just expose the local host so that you can call the API from anywhere in the world. And then we have a body, and if you can see in the body, we have a user information, Pratik Yadav, date, time, location, and number, okay? So let's trigger a call, run this module. I got a call. So this is the basic US number if you are using a free plan. So let me pick up and let's see how it goes.
About the event Build with AI on 5th April at 10 a.m., taking place at Neem Convention Center. We're excited to have you. Can you confirm whether you'll be attending the event?
Yes, I will be attending the event.
Great to hear that you'll be joining us. As a reminder, the dress code is casual or smart casual, and we recommend bringing a notebook and pen for taking notes. Do you have any questions or need any further details about the event?
Okay, can you tell me who is organizing this event?
Certainly. This event is hosted by GeekyAnts in collaboration with Google for developers. Is there anything else I can help you with regarding the event?
May I know who are the speakers in the event?
Yes, I can provide you with some of the speakers. We have Jaida, Arsh, Pratik Yadav, and Saurabh. There are also 2 more speakers that will be revealed soon. Would you like to know more about any of these speakers?
May I know what is Pratik gonna talk about?
Certainly. Pratik Yadav will be speaking about building a smart AI voice agent for real-time communication. Is there anything else I can help you with?
Is there any free food available in the event?
Yes, there will be networking with snacks available at the event. Is there anything else I can help you with?
I have changed my mind. I won't be able to attend the event. Can you cancel that?
No problem. Thank you for letting us know. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. Have a great...
Okay. Okay, so let's go back to the presentations. Okay, let's talk about the use case and real world scenarios. Yes, real AI voice agents are transforming the industry by automating communication, and it also enhances the productivity of a business if you are in a business field and improve a customer experience. So let's take about one use case where an AI appointment reminder for a healthcare. In a healthcare, let's say a hospital want to automate this process by sending a reminder to the patient. And it's not about the healthcare, even let's take any therapist session or anything in the healthcare section. So they want to automate, traditionally what they are doing, they are sending the reminder on a phone. But Now it can automate, and the live agent can speak and not even speak. Again, the cancel the appointment, schedule the appointment, reschedule the appointments, and ask FAQs regarding that, and maybe any prerequisites to taken care of before visiting the appointment. That also be handled by an AI voice agent. Customer support, automation. Yes, banking and telecom, we are seeing that traditional IVR system, right? So that is also can be transform, and the e-commerce order confirmation and a feedback. So this is also important for feedback, right? So now you have to fill the form and all, just make a call, speak it, done, right? Okay, one more use case I just came in my mind is voice-based payment, or maybe something like Jarvis, like book my usual flight. So all the data should be there, of course, and it will book your usual flight, simply. So this is the use case. Okay, now I'm coming to the future enhancement, and I got one query regarding the multi-language support. So yes, this is the future enhancement I can do, and I think ElevenLabs AI is using that feature, so I can also handle in multiple language if I want, but then again, I need to consume more tokens for that. So system can expand its capability to multiple language so that your business can enhance user worldwide, okay? So let's go and see the personalized AI voice tone. So actually, I tried that. I tried to give my ElevenLabs AI my personal voice. I speak for 30 seconds, and then it came up with some robotic, but yeah, it was really me. But yeah, you can give a personal touch to your users, right, for their audience, right? So another advancement you can do in handling the FAQs, as I mentioned, collecting the survey response. AI can also recommend the product if you have certain data to your LLM. So yeah, based on your past purchase, right? Integration with CRM and chatbot. Yes, in future, you can also enhance it with sync your data with the CRM. As I mentioned, if you cancel the event, you have a database in your system where it can, based on the user response, it can update your DB, right? So this is one integration we can do. Okay, so final takeaway, the future of AI voice agent. Yes, AI voice agent represent a significant advancement in automation and user interaction. It improves the communication efficacy and enhance the productivity, and also it's redefine the human and AI collaboration. So this is another fun project that I did with an AI. I actually order a smartwatch in a minute without using my hands. So I just write a prompt, and it went to the Amazon.com login by itself, search for a smartphone, and it placed the order. And the video is uploaded on the LinkedIn. So this is the fun project that I made using AI tools. And let's connect and explore the new possibilities together. If you have any feedback or anything to add, I'm open for that. This is my LinkedIn profile. And yeah, thank you so much.